Hello everyone, I'm making this video because I see a lot of places cars are lined up pressing their remote control to open their gate, community gate that is, and the gate doesn't work. And I'm telling you, explaining why it doesn't work. So most communities have gates with the remote that people take this remote, they put it in their car, and when they approach the gate, they press the button, expect it to open. Well, guess what? The batteries on these will go bad. And even though they are lithium batteries, which is supposed to last like 5-6 years, you need to keep in mind that the vehicles are parked outside under the hot sun. And high temperature shortens the life of the battery. And fixing it is easy. The batteries like, $2-3 each. Some of them take 2 batteries, some 1. And I'm going to show you how to replace the batteries. All right, so let's look at this remote. So we have this remote, and this was given to us by our community. And how do you open this to change the battery? First, I'm going to teach you how to open it. So this remote actually opens by inserting a coin right here. So you have to use maybe like a penny, maybe like something like a penny, like this for example. So I'm inserting it, see, like that, and then twist the penny, and voila, and it opens up just like that. See that? Just like that, it opens up. Once you have it opened, you have the battery here. Sometimes there are 2 batteries, one on top of each other. And this particular model has, let's see, yeah, this has 2 batteries, just like I thought. CR 2016, that's the model number. So all you need to do is buy the battery CR 2016. Doesn't necessarily have to be Maxwell. It can be any brand. Once you buy the batteries are like this. I have these batteries. So this happens to be the same as my garage door. I bought these for my garage door. So let's insert them. Make sure to polarize them correctly. Take a note of the polarization. This side is positive, this side is negative, and the positive goes up. So basically the metal bar touches the positive side. But since there are 2 batteries, so you have to put both batteries one on top of each other, one on top of the other, and like so, just like that, and make sure they're centered. That's it. Your unit is up and running again. Now, since I'm not in front of the gate to test it, I will test it, but this should fix the problem. And you shouldn't be seeing long lines of cars with angry tenants honking at each other, trying to, open the gate, pushing the remote, which doesn't work. Now, there is something that you also need to look into. You don't even have to have this remote. You could program this remote to your car, so the buttons on the ceiling of your vehicle, right above the rear view mirror, there are buttons those buttons will actually open the gate for you. So you don't necessarily even to have this. In order to program those buttons, you need this remote to program those. Basically, you press this to program that. For each car, it's different. I know how to do it on a GMC, which I drive. But for every car, you can see the manual and find out how to program your remote control. All right? Thank you for watching.